Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to the More Analytics Afternoon Energy Podcast for December 23rd, going into the holiday. There will be no analysis tomorrow as it's a holiday, or Wednesday, or Thursday, excuse me, and I'll be resuming on Friday. So let me start off with the natural gas. Natural gas turned bullish today. Have to maintain gap higher at a large body day. I warned in the post-market synopsis on December 5th. This went out warning of pressure. We came off $1.49.2. A number of other bearish calls in here. Then I said I was looking for short covering above these lows after we broke below. We rallied up in here, and then we took out this line right here at 434.60, which I also said to look for decent strength above, and we've seen strength up to 459.30. A decent penetration back down below 421.60 will warrant a decent pressure. After such a big day today, I wouldn't be surprised to see a quieter day tomorrow, or with less volatility. The crude oil continues higher. I'm not going to go over the higher time frame stuff. We held exhaustion at 54.72 with the 54.89 low, and we've rallied up to 58.62. I also said the trade above 56.07 rated here, point of strength for 55 ticks minimum, 210 plus maximum. And like I said, we've rallied from 56.07 to 58.62. And then the trade above 56.61, I said warrants a solid strength, likely for days / weeks. And so we're up 2 days off of that. Also, we've just broken above this formation and this formation, which we had bullish suggestions above here and here. Those open up the upside even more. Decent trade above this formation will also want a decent strength. That's going to come in at 59.26, minus 0.2 of a tick per hour, starting at 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If we fail back down through this line decently, that's going to warrant a decent pressure. That's going to come in at 58.16. Bear with me just a moment, please. A decent penetration in there is going to be 29 ticks. The maintain gap lower will leave a minor bearish reversal above. Okay, in the RBOB, we left a minor bullish reversal below here 2 days ago or yesterday. The trade above 171.05 has brought in trade up to 176.05. We also left a minor bullish reversal below roundabout, and from now up 174.85 open, and we've traded up to 176.05. And decent trade above these two lines right here is going to warrant a decent strength, and those are going to come in at 176.09 to 176.50 plus 0.3 of a tick per hour, starting at 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And a decent break above there will warn of higher trade for days / weeks as well. Decent trade below 173.69 will warn of, bear with me 1 minute, will warn of decent pressure. A maintain gap lower would also leave a minor bearish reversal above. Okay, heating oil left a minor bullish reversal below yesterday as well. The trade back above 213.58. I said now warrants a decent strength. And we have seen trade up to 218.97. Decent trade below this formation right here, which is going to come in at 215.47. Bear with me a moment. Minus 2.8 ticks per hour, starting at 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That will warrant decent pressure. I would also note that the heat crack just turned bullish, suggesting that the heat will see more strength to the upside than the crude, which has been leading the past couple of days. And getting above this formation up here would be bullish as well, which is a fairly sizable formation that comes in at 223.49. Minus 0.3 of a tick per hour, starting at 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That'll likely bring in strength for days. A maintain gap lower in the heat tomorrow will leave a minor bearish reversal above. Maintain gap lower in the Brent would also leave a minor bearish reversal above. Okay, and in the Brent, trade above 59.69 has brought in trade up to 62.57 with additional areas to be long above. Yesterday, we left the bullish reversal below. And now the trade above this formation right in here at 62.40, excuse me, at, sorry, bear with me 1 second here. Trade above this formation right here, which came in at 61.91. Now warrants of additional strength, likely for days, and decent trade above this formation right here, which is going to come in at 62.39, minus 0.8 of a tick per hour. That'll warrant of decent strength. And then the gas oil, we left a minor bullish reversal below yesterday. The trade above 610.25 has brought in strength up to 632.50. We also broke above this formation right here at 624.84. We've seen the strength up there. If we fail back down through that line, we're just going to come in at 624.67. Minus 2 per hour starting at 8 o'clock p.m. That's going to warrant a decent pressure. And going into tomorrow, the heating oil is the strongest of the three, the RBOB the weakest of the three, and the crude in the middle relative to one another. Okay, I hope everybody has an enjoyable couple of days off, and I will see you on Friday's podcast.